And welcome back, food lovers. Today I have for you a Burmese dessert recipe. It uses only 4 ingredients and best of all, it's suitable for vegetarians and vegans because it uses neither milk or any dairy products. Let's go with a list of ingredients.
So the recipe that we're going to make today is Burmese tapioca pudding, and I forgot to mention that it's also easy on the washing up because it's made using just one pot. In Burmese, it's called thagu, which is the Burmese word for tapioca. So, onto that list of ingredients. Sweet potato. We're going to use about 100 grams in this recipe, and the flesh of the one that I'm using has a beautiful red colour. I believe that you can also get purple sweet potato, so you're free to use that as well if you want. I live in Ireland and they sell sweet potatoes individually here, so I was really pleased to have picked one up that's as nearly as big as my daughter's head for only 69 cents. Simple things make me happy. Let me know about your supermarket bargains in the comments below. 1 can of coconut milk. Any brand will do, so you're free to use your favourite brand. Tapioca pearls. I'm going to use about 1 cup's worth, which is approximately 100 grams. 1 litre of water. And palm sugar. Try and get hold of palm sugar for this recipe if you can, because it's less processed than white sugar, and I also believe that it has a less sweet taste than white sugar. If you can't get hold of palm sugar, you can of course substitute white sugar instead. Next, prepare and peel the sweet potato. We want to cut it into cubes about 2 centimeters wide. And here is the brilliant orange colour of the sweet potato. It will really help to bring a colour to the dessert. Then boil the water and add in the sweet potatoes. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes for the sweet potatoes to cook. After that time, remove a few pieces, which we will keep aside for decoration. Then add 1 cup's worth of tapioca into the water. Then the palm sugar. I'd recommend starting with about 2 tablespoons worth. You can always add more later. Give the mixture a good stir and then add in the coconut milk. Keep on stirring the mixture until the tapioca becomes nice and soft. The Stirring is quite important, otherwise the dessert will become very thick. Some people also like to add a pinch of salt to the mixture as they say that it enhances the flavour, but that's optional. The dessert is ready when the tapioca is cooked. Serve the pudding in a bowl and also place a few of the sweet potato cubes that you saved from earlier on top. Tapioca pudding is best eaten straight away whilst warm, as it tends to set and become solid when it's cooled down. So give this traditional Burmese dessert a go for yourself, food lovers. Thanks for watching and see you next time.